channel. On this update is called UltraX. This is a Tron investment platform where you can invest with Tron and you will earn a percentage every single day. As you can see, this is their investment plans here. This is the investment plan. So if you invest from 10 Tron to 10,000 Tron, you'll be getting 9% daily of your Tron. For example, someone that use about 100 Tron to invest. 100 Tron is about I think is about $7. Yes, 100 Tron is about $7 or six point something dollars. Yes, 100 Tron is about six point something dollars. So if you use 100 Tron to invest, the minimum you can invest is 10 Tron. So you will be getting 99% daily. For someone that use 100 Tron to invest, will be getting 99 Tron daily. So you can see it. If you invest with 10,000 plus Tron to 50,000, you'll be getting 10% daily for this place. If you invest with 10,000 Tron, you'll be getting 30% daily. That is 10% of 10,000 is 100. Yes, it is 100. You will get 100 Tron daily. So that's how the platform work. This one you'll be getting 20% daily, while this one 30, this one 35. So that is how this platform work. If you want to invest on this platform, they have a Telegram channel also. If you want to join them on their Telegram channel, so this is their Telegram channel here. You can join them here and you can check their service there also. So right now, if you want to join this platform, you need to register. Check the description of this video, you will see the registration link there. So now, if you after you registered, then the next thing to do is to recharge. The amount of Tron you want to recharge depends on the investment plan you want to go for. So click on recharge here. So when you click on the recharge button, it will take you to this place. This is your Tron wallet address. So just click on copy address. You can also deposit with USDT. Just click here to show your USDT wallet address. So let me click there now. If I click here, you will see that this is my USDT. $1 is equal to 17 Tron. So you can see this one is still easy. So you can deposit with USDT TRC20, or you can just deposit with Tron directly. So after that, you copy the wallet address and you send the amount of Tron or USDT you want to use to deposit. You send it to this wallet address. So in less than 1 minute, you will see the money here in your recharge balance here. You will see the money you deposit in your recharge balance here. So you can now use part of the money or everything. As you can see, I use the one I have, but I think I still have some 0.00000 Tron here. So this one don't mean anything. So then your after you deposit, then you go to my plan, or you can just click on your home page and check the plans you want to go for. Then input the amount of Tron you want to use to invest. Input it in here. Just enter the amount. Let's say you want to use something like this. Input the amount, then click on buy, then confirm it. So after that, your plans will start. You can click on your plan here and you will see your investment plan. Sorry for that, I'm sorry. So and you will see your investment plan. The daily return is Malaysia time, so that is 5 a.m. So that is their daily return. That is, you'll be getting your daily return around 12 o'clock. Yes, I can say 12 o'clock in the night, or so, something like that. So your balance will be showing up here. Any amount you have made will be showing up here on your balance, and the minimum you can withdraw on this platform is 5 Tron, the minimum. Then there is no limit to the amount you can withdraw in maximum. So the minimum you can withdraw is 5 Tron. So right now, let me withdraw. I want to withdraw this 28.21 Tron I have here. Let's see if I am going to actually receive the money or not. But before I do that, I have not bind my wallet address to this platform. So let me do that now. Now click on wallet address management here. So here you will need to bind your Tron wallet address to this platform and input your login password, or you can just use then just use your Tron wallet address. Use it. So now let me go to my wallet and copy my Tron wallet address and paste it here now. So let me click on copy. Now I have copied my Tron wallet address. Now paste it in here. Then enter your login password. You can just enter your login password. Now after that, operation done. So now you can now withdraw, and it will go directly to your Tron wallet. So right now let me click on withdraw. Sorry, I click on recharge. So let me click on withdraw. Now I want to withdraw everything here, 28.21 Trons. So they are going to take a transaction fee of 1%. 1% should be around 2.8 something. So let's see. I'm going to receive I think I'm going to receive 26 point something. Now confirm, withdraw. Withdrawal operation done. So as you can see, withdrawal operation done. So let me go to my this thing, my wallet, my Trust wallet, and check if I have received the payment or not. So it even take less than 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So you can see I receive all the money. So there is no charges. I receive all the money, $1.74 of Tron. So as you can see, guys, that platform is paying. As you can see, this is my Tron right now. As you can see, this is my first withdrawal on the platform. So guys, you too, we can start together now and keep on making money on this platform. Don't wait till it gets to 2 to 3 months before you start now today, and let's continue making money from this platform. So guys, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful and you feel like you gain something in this video, please hit that like button, and at the same time hit the subscribing button. Please hit the subscribing button so that anytime I drop another video or more updates like this, you'll be the first person to see the video notification on your phone screen. And at the same times, you can join my WhatsApp group on the link below, my Telegram group also. You can also join any of my link on this video. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon. Goodbye for now.